Welcome back to Redneck Ingenuity. Today we're going to be working with not a rental, so to speak, but a loaner. Clearing some brush. Just going to clean up right next to the house there. It's got a lot of honeysuckle and just trash in it. So today we're going to be cleaning her up. Alright, so this is all the trash that I'm going to be running down through there, knocking some honeysuckle over, maybe some of the smaller box elder maple trees that are trash. Probably won't get to the actual trash like plastic and that stuff today. Today mainly we'll just be with the rotary cutter on the skid steer. But as you see, there's lots of stuff in there to clean up, and I'll need to grind some stumps. Again, that probably won't happen today, but we'll get this honeysuckle here, all that, we can knock all it out. It'll look completely different. You'll be able to see lots more trash. Make it look worse temporarily. Alrighty, so here is the aftermath of the machine. There's still some that's going to have to be taken out by hand that I can't get with the machine, but it really opened it up. As you can see, I left a little bit up here because that's got blackberries. My daughter likes to pick blackberries in the spring and raspberries mixed in there. Then I did leave some ash, and this, I believe this is a red bud with some grapevine on it. That I'll have to get off. But there are a few little ash sprouts that I left. I basically took out the honeysuckle and box elder maple. I'm not a big fan of it. But like, again, raspberries here that we pick. And there's another ash. Actually a bunch of ash saplings mixed in there. So, a little cherry. So, yeah, we really opened her up a lot. Well guys, it's a new day. Let's get to cutting some stumps and removing them. Okay, as I'm cutting stumps, I noticed I missed 2 ash trees. And this first one is dead, and the second one is dying, but not dead. You can see the in this area, the emerald ash borer has done a massive toll on our ash trees. That's part of the reason I like to let some of the ash saplings go, maybe hopefully outlast or gain immunity or something to the emerald ash borer. But here is a typical ash tree after it has died. You can see as it gets to the top branches, there's no small branches, they're stubbier. All the small ones have fallen out, as opposed to an ash tree that is dying, like this one right here. You can see all the trunk suckers, and the top still has a lot of the small branches. But you can definitely tell it's in distress from the bark. Its bark's starting to split. And there is a classic D-shaped hole, signature of the ash borer. And there's another one right there, also still has the small limbs. So I've got 3 more to cut. And that little guy next to him is not doing very good either. Which that one's nothing, but. So let me get them cut and get back to it. Well, that's going to do it for part 1. Tune in next week for part 2. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next Redneck Ingenuity.